Simplified S3 File Management with Python, a comprehensive guide to the S3FileManager class. This podcast is brought to you by Business Compass LLC. We are an Amazon Web Services advanced consulting partner. We build and migrate workloads to Amazon Cloud. Our website is businesscompassllc.com. Our phone number is 973-638-2228. Our email address is contact@businesscompassllc.us. Managing files in AWS S3 can be simple with the right tools. The S3FileManager class simplifies this process, making it easier for developers to interact with S3 buckets and files using Python. In this podcast, we'll explore the functionalities of the S3FileManager class, how to set it up, and how to perform everyday S3 operations. Introduction: what is FileManager and why use it? S3FileManager is a Python class designed to streamline interactions with Amazon S3. It abstracts the complexity of the S3 API, allowing developers to perform operations like uploading, downloading, and managing files with minimal code. Using S3FileManager, you can reduce boilerplate code and focus on your application's core logic. Prerequisites: getting started with S3FileManager. Before you begin, ensure you have the following: an AWS account with S3 access. AWS CLI is configured on your machine. Python is installed on your system. Boto 3 library installed. Pip install Boto 3. Core functionalities of S3FileManager. The S3FileManager class offers several core functionalities to manage S3 buckets and files. Let's explore each functionality in detail. Establishing a connection. To start using S3FileManager, you need to establish a connection to your S3 service using your AWS credentials. Here's how to do it. Import Boto 3. Class FileManager. def_init_self. AWS_access_key. AWS_secret_key. Region_name. Self.s3 equals Boto3.client. S3. AWS_access_key_id equals AWS_access_key. AWS_secret_access_key equals AWS_secret_key. Region_name equals region_name. Creating an S3 bucket. Creating an S3 bucket is straightforward with S3FileManager. Here's a method to create a bucket. Def create_bucket self. Bucket_name. Self.s3.create_bucket bucket equals bucket_name. Uploading a file to S3. To upload a file to S3, use the following method. Def upload_file self, file_name, bucket_name, object_name equals none. If object_name is none, object_name equals file_name. Self.s3.upload_file file_name, bucket_name, object_name. Checking file existence in S3. You can check if a file exists in a bucket using this method. Def file_exists self, bucket_name, object_name. Try. Self.s3.head_object bucket equals bucket_name, key equals object_name. Return true. Except. Return false. Deleting a file from S3. To delete a file from an S3 bucket, use this method. Def delete_file self, bucket_name, object_name. Self.s3.delete_object bucket equals bucket_name, key equals object_name. Generating pre-signed URLs. Generate pre-signed URLs to allow temporary access to your S3 files. Def generate _pre-signed _URL, self, bucket_name, object_name, expiration equals 3600. Return self.s3.generate _pre-signed _URL, get_object. Params equals bucket_name, key, object_name. Expires, in equals expiration. Downloading a file from S3. To download a file from S3, use this method. Def download_file self, bucket_name, object_name, file_name. self.s3.download_file bucket_name, object_name, file_name. Conclusion: streamlining S3 interactions with Python. This FileManager class offers a robust and simplified way to manage your S3 buckets and files. By leveraging its core functionalities, you can streamline your S3 interactions and focus on building your application's logic. Thank you for listening to our podcast. Please share this podcast, visit our website, and follow our social media links.